All right, we're going to be using rock tape or kinesia tape to tape the abdominal wall for a diastasis recti. So what I would do is I would cut your pieces ahead of time so it's easier. I have approximately a 4-inch piece, 2 4-inch pieces, 2 6-inch pieces, and 2 8-inch pieces. And you want to round the edges so that the tape doesn't peel off as much. So those are already pre-cut. So what we're going to do, you got to pull up your shirt and look at your belly. Where the widest part is usually about the belly button, but I'm going to start right about my ribs and I'm just going to put an anchor piece on it. The rules with tape is you don't want to touch the tape, so if you peel off an edge, then you can just put that directly on your skin. You want to stretch the middle part of it, but the anchors or the end, you don't want to have any stretch on it. So pull it across and then just lay it flat. And then you make like a basket weave. So you go on the other side, the same thing. You lay down your anchor piece and then you give it a little bit of a stretch as you pull it across. Okay, now I'm going to use the second middle piece, or the medium piece in the middle. We're going to overlap it slightly. The rules with tape is you can keep this on for up to 5 days or more if it's not bothering you. Go across like that. And then a little bit lower so it overlaps. Sometimes the ends are really hard to get peeled off. Okay, so you pull that. Oops. Okay, you pull that across with some stretch. And then the last one, you go a little bit below that. It's heat activated, so do not take a blow dryer to it or warm it up with a hot pack. It is water resistant, so it can get wet in the shower. But just pat it dry with a towel. That actually feels really good. And it's latex free, but if you're irritated for some reason, like your skin does not like it, you can always take it off. And when you take it off, you want to peel it in the direction of your skin. You don't want to peel it off perpendicular. So what it does is it provides this little basket weave to hold this together and to stabilize your abdomen.